Unauthorized authenticated users can sometimes compromise your system. Identifying unusual database activity, such as an employee who suddenly begins querying large amounts of credit card information, research results, or other sensitive information, can be the first step to detecting information theft. Oracle Database provides a rich set of auditing tools to track user activity and identify suspicious trends. The administrator can audit all actions that take place within the database. It is important to remember that capturing and storing audit information increases the amount of work that the system must perform. Auditing should be focused so that only events that are of interest are captured. Properly focused auditing has minimal impact on system performance. Improperly focused auditing can significantly affect performance. Oracle Database provides 4 different types of auditing: standard database auditing, audit of privileged user operations, fine-grained auditing, referred to as FGA, and value-based auditing. What is audited when privileged user auditing is enabled? Database auditing can capture information about login events, the exercise of system privileges, and the exercise of object privileges. Events that generate audit records can focus on individual users and the status of the event, successful or not. This is an example of a poorly focused audit command that generates a large amount of information capturing any operation that affects any table. This is a better example of an audit command because it is more narrowly focused. To use database auditing, you must first set the static audit trail parameter to point to a storage location for audit records. This parameter defines where audit records will be written. This parameter is set to DB by default. If audit trail is not set or is set to a value of none, standard database auditing is disabled. The audit trail parameter is a static parameter and cannot be modified without restarting the database instance. To change this parameter, the user must have the alter system privilege or access to the initialization parameter file. The possible values of the audit trail parameter that enable auditing are DB, DB extended, XML, XML extended, and OS. For all audit trail options that write to OS files, the default directory is determined by audit file dest. The location of audit logs determines the security of audit records.